Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our June wine cellar door today. All right, so we're on our 36 by 81 inch full arch June wine cellar door with a pull handle. So let's start explaining. This is our June design. This is 36 inches from outside to outside, 81 inches from the top of the peak of the arch all the way to the bottom of the swipe. Now, this door, because it's a wine cellar door, does not have a threshold, which is the piece that goes on the bottom on a typical front door, the metal threshold that you step over. This has two pieces of rod, removable, it's screwed in on the sides. So when you're installing it, you remove those two rods. Those rods are there to keep it true square during shipping, during transport, during install. Awesome door. We've done a ton of wine cellar with this June door before. Typically, things that you guys want to watch out for on wine cellar doors, a lot of people automatically want a door that opens inside the room. A lot of people are converting their little closets, little coat closets into wine cellar doors. So what we recommend is possibly think about opening the door out if you have a small room inside, so you don't take up any real estate inside the wine cellar room, so you can actually have racks all around all four corners of it. That way, opens out whenever you want, and you can hold more wine, and you won't have an empty wall inside. Now, this is a dual glazed glass. We can also do this in single glass if you like. The glass does open on this door also, just like our regular June door. This door has, the rack's holding it. Okay, so it has roller catches on this door. This is what holds the door shut when you shut it. That's almost the same thing as your bedroom lock, where you actually turn the knob and the little latch goes in and out. That acts as the latch. And then this is bored out for a deadbolt. So you put a deadbolt in, and you turn the key, and it actually locks it if needed. Some people have kids in the house, they want to lock their wine room. You do that with that. The June wine cellar door, we have a pull handle on this. So this is a solid metal pull handle on this door. We can definitely make this door with a regular lock handle if you like, or just a single bore to have a regular knob if you like. So this is all, you can change this around if you like, but this is typically how we like to sell this door, with the pull handle, a deadbolt, because typically it sits inside the house, and use it once in a while, and it feels nice to have a nice metal handle to open the door. These are all solid pieces of metal. They're not tubes. These are all solid ball bearings pretty much, welded together. And these are all stamped cast iron leaves that have been stamped. This is 12 gauge steel, greasable hinges, very important, because especially on doors that you don't use as much, they're metal hinges. Over time, the metal will rust inside, no matter what you do, any kind of moisture. So you grease it up once in a while, so you don't have a creaky door when you're opening and closing, so it doesn't sound like a dungeon. If you like that dungeon look, don't put any grease in it, or a dungeon sound, don't put any grease in it every time you open it. Different glass options are definitely available. You guys can get this in different glasses. This is regular clear glass on the interior, on the wine cellar doors. And this is oil rub bronze. You can order this in different colors and different glass types that will not change the price. It does come in a flat top, double doors, a regular arch, or the little mini arch that we have also. yeah, it's pretty simple. Mounts with mounting tabs, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope it goes into a nice home with some good wine and good stories on a dinner table one day. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how the glass opens. Twist the knobs, just like all of our doors, glass opens up. It does have dual seals on this, so it'll have a seal on the actual glass and another seal on the door. And this makes it easy to clean all the scroll work, well, all the leaves and all the grapes in the glass. But just wanted to show you guys what the inside looks like. I think it helps, especially on videos, when you're trying to purchase something online, or, you know, you don't have you can't come down to our LA showroom and actually touch them and feel them. But they're iron doors, they're heavy, they're awesome, they're badass. Hope you guys liked it, and see you guys on the next door. Thank you. Hey everyone, hope you guys enjoyed our June wine cellar door today. If you guys have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkiesirondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.